Welcome back. 209 contractual workers from Zuari have lost their jobs. New Era Handling Agency owned by President Atul Kalam terminated services of 209 contractual employees in one shot on Monday, forcing them to hit the streets. Agency in its letter to the workers' union has expressed that the step was a fallout of closure of DAP plant at Zuari Industries. Goa Kranti Sena Mazdoor Union has vowed to fight for their rights and have served a strike notice to the agency.
Zuari Agrochemicals हेतूर एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा न्यू एरा हँडलिंग एजन्सी जेचें नांव अतुल जाधव आसा. तेणें आयज नोटीस धाडल्या युनियनांक आनी कामगारांक की आयच्यान आपलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टर्मिनेट जाला आनी हे टर्मिनेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट जाल्ल्या कारणान आपूण कामगारांक टर्मिनेट करता. सो जें टोटली इलिगल आनी जो एक्ट आसा इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट्स एक्ट त्याच्या प्रमाणे तें रॉंग जावन आसा. मॅनेजमेंटान बेकायदेशीर रित्या आमच्या कामगारांक टर्मिनेशन लेटर दिला आनी तांकां चॅक धाडल्या अशें आमकां लेटर धाडलेलें आसा. पूण कामगारांनी ते चॅक एक्सेप्ट करूंक ना आनी एक्सेप्ट करचेंय ना पोस्टान येयलें जाल्यार, कारण हें जें घडलां तें इलिगल जालां. दुसरी गोश्ट, काल संडे आसुनूय बी युनियनान स्ट्रायक नोटीस दिल्ली आसा जी 11:30 मॅनेजमेंटान रिसीव केल्या आनी तेच्या उपरांत 4:30च्या दरम्यान मॅनेजमेंटान कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टर्मिनेशनाची नोटीस काडलेली आसा.
Former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has expressed need of many more doctors to work in rural areas to fulfill the medical need of Indian rural population. Missile Man feels that government should focus and expedite use of latest technology to connect rural health centers in the network and enhance the efficiency of medical staff. Kalam inaugurated 18th International Congress of Rural Health and Medicine program in Panaji on Monday.
The medical colleges should teach their students to develop sensitivity to the suffering of the patients. They also need to modify the treatment approach for the poor who cannot afford expensive treatment. The aim of the medical education should be to facilitate application of medical technology for providing best care to the poor at the most affordable cost.
Dr. Kalam said that government should focus and expedite to use latest technology to connect rural health centers in the network and enhance the efficiency of medical staff by e-training.
Interconnecting the healthcare institutions of government, corporate and super specialty hospital, research institution, education institution, ultimately pharma R&D centers, including primary health centers. India has connected around 400 remote locations so far with more than 50 super specialty hospitals and provides telemedicine connectivity. We need many public-private partnership models to empower the rural India by outreaching the healthcare services to unreached.
He also said that government should start mobile medical vans on a regular basis in those areas where medical centers are not being set up. With video journalist Devendra Gaonkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Nova MLA Miki Pacheco has alleged that the casinos are not declaring actual number of visitors and siphoning off the commercial tax. He alleged that offshore casinos are showing just 10% of actual visitors. Nova MLA Miki Pacheco on Monday alleged that the casinos are not declaring the actual number of visitors, causing massive loss of commercial tax to the state.
फाटल्या गव्हर्मेंटान एंट्री फी दवरल्या हाटी आसली 2000 आतां रिड्यूस करून 500 केल्या. पूण विकेंडाक फ्रायडे सॅटर्डे संडे ते पयशे मोर देन 1000 एंट्री येता. पूण एक्चुअल गव्हर्मेंटाक दाखयता आसतना 100, 150 to 200 मॅक्झिमम दाखयता. एक रातीन 800 लोकांक तर लिपयत 800 लोकांक सुमार 4 लाख एवरेज 4 लाख अशें सरकाराक लुकसाण जाता.
Miki also said that mostly casinos are not recruiting Goan youth and those Goans who are employed are given stepmotherly treatment. He alleged that casinos have employed non-Goans on the management level just to hide financial wrongdoings.
And there are hardly 15 to 20% Goans are working. Mostly 80% who is holding position, high profile position, the outsiders, and moreover they are from Nepal.
Mickey demanded that government should appoint personnel from commercial tax department inside each of the casinos to calculate exact number of visitors. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulshidas Chari for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.